डियर व्यूवर्स, इस वीडियो में हम बेसिक कंप्यूटर साइंस जो कि पीपीएससी एफपीएससी तमाम कंपेटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स में इनके सवाल आते हैं। तो इस वीडियो में पहला क्वेश्चन है, DOS was introduced by, its answer is option A, IBM. So next question है, which of the following operating system is based on open source software? Its answer is option D, Linux. Next question, the amount of time taken by a device to begin reading data is called. Its answer is option C, access time. Next question, the read technology that contributes to fault tolerance is called. Its answer is option A, Dix mirroring. Mirroring. So the last question in this, M in man stands for. Its answer is option D, Metropolitan Area Network. Next question is, the software used for workgroup computing is called. Its answer is option C, groupware. Next question, which of the following standards were developed without any formal planning? Its answer is option A, de facto. Option A is right. Next question, which of the following is LAN protocol? Its answer is option D, all. Next question, which one is the bottommost layer of OSI model? OSI मॉडल के बारे में हमने पिछली वीडियो में पढ़ा था कि OSI मॉडल की कितनी लेयर्स होती हैं, तो उनकी 7 लेयर्स होती हैं। तो यहाँ पर इसका जो दुरुस्त जवाब राइट आंसर होगा, इट्स बी, फिजिकल. So the last question in this video, data is transmitted block by block in dash transmission. Its answer is option C, synchronous. So इस वीडियो में इतना ही. मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.